नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे बच्चों। हाउ आर यू ऑल? कैसे हैं मेरे प्यारे बच्चों? होप यू ऑल आर फाइन. ओके, स्टे होम, स्टे safe my dear kids. Okay, have you all wrote the notes what I have sent on that PDF? See, I forgot to write the heading of the lesson. Okay, my dear kids, sorry for that. I forgot to write the title of the lesson. You have to write part 1, then down hum panchi unmukt gagan ke. After that you have to continue the lesson. Okay, sorry for that, I forgot that. After writing, please take a snapshot and send to me. Okay, my dear kids. Okay, let's revise the notes. Okay, first Roman letter. You have, before writing the arti, you have to write the heading. Okay, Kaksha, it is written Kaksha 7, not is the lesson 1. Okay, Kaksha 7 means grade 7. Hindi, then date, I have written the date also you should write. Then down of that you should write the part 1, hum panji gagan ke. Then after that, first Roman letter. What is the first Roman letter? Arth. Okay, listen carefully. Panji. Panji means what? Bird. Panji, bird. Gagan, sky. Gagan, sky. Swarna Shringala, golden chain. Swarna Shringala, golden chain. Panji, bird. Gagan, sky. Swarna Shringala, golden chain. Then Taru, tree. Taru, tree. Chule, swing. Chule, swing. Chule, swing. Fifth one what? Chule, swing. Arman, desire. Arman, desire. Arman, desire. Seema, border. Seema, border. Kshidij, sky. Kshidij, sky. Need, nest. Need, nest. Vikhna, disturbance. Vikhna, disturbance. Once more I am reading. Panji, bird. Panji, bird. Gagan, sky. Swarna Shringala, golden chain. Taru, tree. Chule, swing. Arman, desire. Seema, border. Kshidij, sky. Need, nest. Vik, disturbance. Okay, then second Roman letter. Hindi Arth. Hindi Arth means Hindi meanings. Number 1, Unmukt, Khula. Unmukt, opened, free. Unmukt, Khula. Khula, Unmukt, Khula. Pulagid, prasann. Pulagid, prasann. Pulagid, prasann. Swarna, sona. Swarna. Swarna, sona. Taru, paid. Taru, paid. Arman, icha. Arman, icha. Then once more, Unmukt, Khula. Unmukt, Khula. Pulagid, prasann. Pulagid, prasann. Swarna, sona. Swarna, sona. Taru, paid. Taru, paid. Arman, icha. Arman, icha. Okay. Then third Roman letter. Prashna aur uttar. Prashna aur uttar means question and answer. Number 1, पक्षी कहाँ का जल पीना पसंद करते हैं? पक्षी कहाँ का जल पीना पसंद करते हैं? From where this bird want to drink water? पक्षी कहाँ का जल पीना पसंद करते हैं? From where that bird want to drink water? Where that bird likes to drink water? Where? पक्षी नदी झरनों का जल पीना पसंद करते हैं. It want to drink water from the river or lakes like that. Water only it want to drink. Nadi means river, झरनों means lakes. So पक्षी नदी झरनों का जल पीना पसंद करते हैं. पक्षी कहाँ का जल पीना पसंद करते हैं? पक्षी नदी झरनों का जल पीना पसंद करते हैं. Read with me my dear kids, then only you can read. Okay. पक्षी कैसा जीवन जीना चाहते हैं? Second question, पक्षी कैसा जीवन जीना चाहते हैं? What type of life that bird want to live? What type of life? What type of life? पक्षी एक स्वतंत्र जीवन जीना चाहते हैं. It want to be independent life. It want independent life, isn't it? Free life. So पक्षी कैसा जीवन चाहते हैं? जीना चाहते हैं. पक्षी एक स्वतंत्र जीवन जीना चाहते हैं. पक्षी एक स्वतंत्र जीवन जीना चाहते हैं. पक्षी कैसा जीवन जीना चाहते हैं? पक्षी एक स्वतंत्र जीवन जीना चाहते हैं. देन थर्ड क्वेश्चन, पक्षी मनुष्यों से क्या चाहते हैं? फ्रॉम ह्यूमन बींग्स, फ्रॉम अस, व्हाट दैट बर्ड वांट. व्हाट फ्रॉम ह्यूमन बींग्स, फ्रॉम मैन, फ्रॉम अस, व्हाट दैट बर्ड वांट. पक्षी मनुष्यों से क्या चाहते हैं? पक्षी मनुष्यों से चाहते हैं कि उसे स्वतंत्र होकर उड़ान भरने दे. इट वांट from us to make it free to fly over. Make it free. They want from us, what they want from us? They want to make them free. They want from us to make them free and they want to fly high. पक्षी मनुष्यों से चाहते हैं कि उसे स्वतंत्र होकर उड़ान भरने दे. They want to fly over. पक्षी मनुष्यों से चाहते हैं कि उसे स्वतंत्र होकर उड़ान भरने दे. Understood, my dear kids? Then some grammar. We learned Visheshan, isn't it? In that only one part will come Gunavajak Visheshan. Gunavajak Visheshan means when we are telling about the quality, character of anything, like वैसा शब्द जो किसी व्यक्ति या वस्तु के गुण, दोष, their good quality, their bad quality, रंग, color, रूप, shape, आकार, shape, then अवस्था, situation, स्थिति, that situation only, स्वभाव, character, दशा, place where it is there, दिशा, स्पर्श, touch, गंध, smell, स्वाद, taste, आदि का बोध हो. It tastes very nice, like that and all we will tell now. So that शब्द we will tell as गुणवाचक विशेषण. Once more I am reading. वैसा शब्द जो किसी व्यक्ति या वस्तु के, any persons or things, गुण, दोष, रंग, रूप, आकार, अवस्था, स्थिति, स्वभाव, दशा, दिशा, स्पर्श, गंध, स्वाद आदि का बोध हो गुणवाचक विशेषण कहलाते हैं. दिस एंड ऑल इट्स देयर मीन्स इट इज टेलिंग अस गुणवाचक विशेषण. सो उदाहरण, एग्जाम्पल यू सी, विकास एक बलवान व्यक्ति है. विकास इज ए स्ट्रॉन्ग पर्सन. हाउ इज दैट पर्सन? विकास स्ट्रॉन्ग. सो दैट बलवान इज द गुणवाचक विशेषण. बैंगलोर एक स्वच्छ नगर है. बैंगलोर इज ए परफेक्ट town, or swachh means clean, hygienic place. So how is that Bangalore? It is a hygiene, it is a clean place. So Bangalore एक स्वच्छ नगर है. Then third one, यह बहुत सुंदर गाड़ी है. How is that vehicle? गाड़ी means vehicle. That vehicle is very beautiful. सुंदर गाड़ी है. सुंदर means beautiful. सुंदर गाड़ी. So बलवान strong, स्वच्छ clean, सुंदर beautiful. These are the Gunavajak Visheshan. Okay, my dear kids. Then one more is there, Dvandva Samas. That Samas and all is there, that we will learn separately. This is under that on another type of grammar only, Dvandva Samas. Dvandva Samas इनमें दोनों पद प्रधान होते हैं. When it is telling that, if like you can see the example, पाप पुण्य, Paba and Punya, good and bad. So what is that? Both words it is important. So that word, both word it is important. That word we call it as द्वंद्व समास. इसमें दोनों पर प्रधान होते हैं. बोथ साइड, पाप पुण्य, both are important. Like माता पिता, माता means mother, father. So both are important. So माता पिता. Then Sita Ram, Sita and Ram, Sita and Ram. Sita also important, Ram also important. Then Bhai Bahan, Bhai brother, Bahan sister, both are important. So these type of words we will tell as द्वंद्व समास. What is that? द्वंद्व समास. इसमें दोनों पर प्रधान होते हैं. दोनों पद प्रधान होते हैं. Both word it is important. Example, पाप पुण्य, सीता और राम, माता और पिता, भाई और बहन. Okay, my dear kids, understood? You have any doubt means you can ask me in the Zoom interaction meeting, my dear kids. Any doubt is there means you will no problem. You can text me or call me also. Don't forget to write the title on the up of it. I forgot, sorry for that once again. Then any doubt is there means you can ask me in any time. Okay, my dear kids. Then today's assignment. What is today's assignment? दिए गए notes को 5 बार लिखकर पढ़ना. Write the notes, given notes 5 times and learn. You have to write the notes, each and everything. You have to write 5 times question and answer. For question answer, you have to write only 1 time question and 5 times answer like that. But for meanings and Hindi meanings and all, you have to write 5 times. Question and answer both you have to write 5 times and learn. And after learning, you have to get sign from your parents. After learning, how you can know that? After writing 5 times, you put all the questions in a rough note and try to write the answer after learning. Then if you yourself correct it. Okay, you yourself correct it. Then you can find out the mistakes and all. Then any mistakes is there, learn again. Like that you learn. Previous year students and all, they knows how ma'am has told. So like that you learn and you correct yourself and show to me and get your parents' signature. Don't forget to get. After writing 5 times, get signature from your parents. Okay, my dear kids? Okay, that's all for today. Dhanyavad bachcho.